The show starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good day, everyone, especially to you, Miss Beautiful, Dr. Niketheya Albidoya. For today, I will discuss to you the article number 3, The Code of Ethics for Professional Teacher, the Teacher in the Community. Let's start.
Before we proceed, let's talk about what is professional teacher. Licensed professional who possesses dignity and reputation, with high moral values as well as technical and professional competence, adheres to observe and practice a set of ethical and moral principles, standards, and values. Now, let's see the section 1 of the article. We should be reminded of that in section 1, the main role of the teacher is to become facilitator of learning. So what does this mean to become facilitator of learning classes? There is a misconception regarding facilitating learning, as some would think that they are to give the lesson to the student and it's up to them to learn it and relay it to class. But the real role of facilitator is to provide activities which are metacognitive in nature. Example, discover method, laboratory method. It serves as the guides towards learning. Likewise, the part of facilitating learning to ensure that our environment is conducive to learning process. So what is it all about? It is important that our classroom is well lit, there is enough space in the side and in the aisle. At the same time, the environment is less harm and safe. Now let's proceed on section 2. Every teacher shall provide leadership and initiative to actively participate in a community movements for moral, social, educational, economic, and civic betterment. It was already discussed before teacher acts as a community leaders when needed. This will be thoroughly discussed as we go further to the next sections. In section 3, it is stated that every teacher is recognized in the society as someone who has the highest integrity and for that expected to behave dignity at all time. This would mean that you have to throw away all the vices as you had to appear dignified at all times, even if not inside a school or a classroom. That teachers are called as models. Section 4 states that every teacher shall have sympathetic attitude to the community where she lives. That means that she have to be sensitive enough to the needs of community in case of advices or in any contribution that he may give in the community. Section 5. Teachers are reminded that the community parts of community stakeholders does all of the activities, accomplishments, and problems of the school should be informed to the community where he belongs. Section 6. Every teacher is a community leader, so there will be time that the barangay will need your help in leading the people in some difficult situations like disaster or crisis. At the same time, or activities in community which involves of youth. Well, this is also related to Section 2. Section 7. Every teacher should maintain a good relationship with all the government officials of the community within the barangay and local government. This is in order them to take care of the welfare of the people and to work hand in hand regarding the needs of the students and the community. Now, for Section 8, Every teacher has the right to exercise its own religion. Yes, to freedom of choice, to join any church that would want to exercise any form of worship that he wants or she wants, as long as he will not proselyte others. So, what is proselytizing? When he or she proselytizing means we attract or we beg someone with us in our faith. So let us remember as teachers, we should not let or beg our students if they don't want to be with us in our faith. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.